Good morning, everyone. Today we will be taking a look at how to be a good digital citizen by using information ethically. Remember that we talked about how good digital citizens demonstrate and practice safe, responsible, and legal use of technology. To be good digital citizens, it is important that we use text, images, videos, and other information that we find online in a way that is legal and gives credit to the creators of these sources that they deserve. We will be exploring resources today that will help us answer the question, how do good digital citizens use information ethically? I have included in our class Padlet an introduction to ethical use of information by iKeepSafe that provides a good introduction to the topic, an introduction to copyright law, an introduction to fair use of copyrighted materials, and I've shared the story of Nicole, a student author who feels strongly about copyrighting the books she writes online. You will find a video for students that explains how to avoid plagiarism, sources on how to give credit through citation, a citation generator that will help you cite sources easily, and information on in-text citations. View the sources on our Padlet, then contribute to our class discussion. How do good digital citizens use information ethically?